How to design Shopify store. So hi guys, before we get started, let me tell you why it's important to design your Shopify store. First is to create or to establish your brand. So your website domain is your online address and is an important aspect of your brand identity. By decorating your domain, you can customize it to match your brand and create a memorable and professional image for your customers. Second is to build trust. A well decorated website domain can also help build trust with your customers. A domain that is decorated with a professional design and a layout can give customers confidence that your business is legitimate and trustworthy. We would not want to buy to a store that does not have a good image, right? Next is how you differentiate your store from other stores. So Shopify provides various customization options that allows you to stand out from your competitors. Decorating your website domain can help you differentiate your brand from others, making it easier for customers to recognize your business and remember your website. And lastly, SEO. Search engine optimization is critical to the success of any online business. Decorating your website domain can help improve your SEO by making it easier for search engines to crawl and index your site, increasing your chances of ranking higher in search results. So all in all, decorating your website domain in Shopify is important aspect of creating a strong online presence and building a successful e-commerce business. Now, getting back into how to design your Shopify store, actually there are various ways. First is you can click on the search bar here and go to apps. Now, one app that you can use to design your Shopify store is your Pagefly landing page builder. You could also look for page builders here in your recommended apps. Simply go to your Shopify app store, and here you can search for page builders in this section. Now all you need to do is to look for a page builder that suits you best. Alright, but let me tell you the most and the easiest way to build or to decorate your Shopify store. Simply go to your online store here in the left panel and go to theme section. Now as you can see, we are in our theme sections and you can see customize in here. You could actually use popular themes which are free here at Shopify. So simply visit theme store so that you can explore more options that you would want. Right, so for example, we can use this one, the Dawn. This is actually the most common. Next is your Impulse, the Crave, the Expands, Taste, and the Likes. So there are actually templates that are not for free, but if you want to use a free template, of course, just click on the one that has free here. All right. Now, for example, we are going to use this one. And you can try the theme. Now it will route us to our Shopify theme section once more. For our current theme, we have Dawn right here. But if we want to try Origin, we're gonna wait for this one and simply customize it. Now we will be routed to this page. And this is where we can edit our Shopify store. So basically, we have in our homepage, we have the header, the announcement bar, the rich text, featured product, the price, description, and the likes. Now in the drop down, you could actually click that down and go to your product section. And here we can see our products. Now say for example, we want to decorate our background. All we need to do is to go to the theme settings. Now let's go to colors. So we can see the gray colored area here, and we want to change that to something bright or something warm. So this is for our button label basically. It's not for our background. Now let's try for the background. Here's for the background. Okay, there. So if we want to make use of this color, just simply go to this panel, which is the theme settings, and look for colors. And you can actually edit the color of the background. Next is if we want to change the button or the box, we're just simply going to look for the color, and there you have it. Now here for our logo, we can actually select an image. So for example, I already have a logo, which is this one. So I have created this logo through Canva. So you can use Canva as well in order for you to make your logo and whatnot. Now as you can see, our logo will appear in here. Let's select the image once more, and we need to click on select. Alright, once done, you could also go to your typography if you want to change the font. So for example, we're gonna change the font for this one, and for instance, we're going to use Anonymous Pro. Right, and as you can see, it has changed. Okay, now the next area that we're going to go to is the media section. Now you could actually have borders. So for example, if the thickness of our border, we want to make it thicker, then you can see that it has become more thicker right there. For our icons, we can put outline button right here, and there you have it. Now let me show you our cart section. So this is our cart section, and this is how it will look like. Alright. You can actually scroll down a bit to the theme section to simply look at everything. You could also add your social media pages right here rather, and input it in the chat box right here or in the box below. Now for the brand information, you could actually add the description for your store. This would be very good, especially if you're starting, to let your customer know what you are doing or what kind of niche you're into in the online store. Now for the icons, we have our outline button right here. For badges, we can see position on cards, your sale badge color scheme, and sold out badge color scheme. You could also search the behavior, so you can enable search suggestions right here, or show product vendor. For example, if you want to show your visible when search suggestions are enabled, and show product price. Now for our currency codes, cart and checkout prices always show currency codes. So for example, $1 and whatnot. But if you don't want to show that, then you can untick the box. But of course, we're selling something. We want to let our customers know how much it would cost for transparency purposes. Now we have our drawer section. If you want your cart type to be drawer like, your page or pop-out notification, so we'll just stick with this one. And here for our checkout section, you can actually add a banner, a logo, and whatnot. So for example, for our background image, we can add this one right here. Of course, to add an element that we are an online store. Okay, now let's take a look at our homepage here. So here in our section right here, if we want to change the photo, all we need to do is to so here you can add title, whatnot. You could also see the mobile, how it looks like in your mobile, full screen as well, and desktop. If you're all good, then simply publish and save. Let's exit and let's take a look how our store looks like. So if we want to make use of this one, we can simply publish this one. So instead of the Dawn, we're going to have origin here for our Shopify account. Now let's take a look. And there, we have successfully placed our Shopify store. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed and thank you so much for watching.